Food is cooked and ready to be served. Help Daniel blow his nose to clear up nasal passage. Warning! Daniel is destroying the house with his sneezing. Stop Daniel from sneezing immediately.
Arpo, was that an earthquake? It must be an earthquake. What do we do now? Arpo, what do we do? Arpo, what's happening to Daniel? Did you give him something weird?
Warning! Watch out for incoming lawnmower.
Holy cow! The cow flew straight up to the roof!
Huh? Whoa, hey, what's going on here, you guys?
Arpo, you've got to do something before Daniel blows the house down. Arpo, did you hear what I said? Or what am I supposed to do with Daniel? Daniel, don't sneeze, okay? Oh, what should I do? Oh, Arpo, help! Daniel's gonna sneeze again! Help! Oh, there he Be good, Daniel. Stay here, okay? No, Daniel, don't! Arpo, are you okay? Oh no!
Hi, guys. What are you doing out here sitting on the lawn? Are you guys playing some kind of game?
Emma, stay where you are. It's not safe to be near us.
Why? Don't you want me to join in your game?
Emma, why aren't you affected by the sneezing?
But it's just a light breeze.
Huh?
It's no big deal.
That's it.
Do I just keep walking? Arpo, what kind of game is this?
Stop Daniel from sneezing by blowing his nose with a handkerchief.
Daniel, blow your nose. Harder. Run! Oh, no, please!
Stay with me, play with me, please spend the day with me. Keep me from mischief and harm. Stay with me, play with me, I'll run away, see if Arpo can keep my day calm. Stay, play, there's trouble ahead. Stay, play, I should be in bed. There's mischief and mayhem since I could first crawl, and then Arpo comes rushing to me. There's no easy ride with it, he's by my side. Through it, Arpo's the best he can be. Stay, play, there's trouble ahead. Stay, play, I should be in bed. I'm Daniel the baby, and I will just maybe always be looking for fun. I'm Daniel the baby, and you should just maybe be glad that I cannot yet run. Stay, play, there's trouble ahead. Stay, play, I should be in bed.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Are you shooting now? Daniel, my love, now be very quiet. Rolling. I'm here to see the robot we've all come to know as Arpo. Arpo is the last of the commando robots that protected our great country for more than a decade. Arpo here was built to be the ultimate military machine. Allow me to introduce Arpo. Arpo, how about you give us a demonstration?
Psst, Debbie.
These robots were also built with state-of-the-art weaponry. Arpo, what have you got there? But most of all, these robots are designed to protect humans from harm. Arpo, save me from that terrifying cow!
Mission objective: protect reporter from the cow.
Most of the commando robots were destroyed during the atomic wars. But now we have achieved world peace, commando robots are no longer needed. Arpo himself is going to be terminated, unless the authorities are able to find an appropriate job for him to do. This is Debbie DeLovely.
Mama.
I'm really sorry about the camera, Bruno. Bad luck, huh? See you tomorrow. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Come on, Daniel, let's sing. Joey, I'm home.
Hey!
Hello, darling. How was your ballet class? Joey, be a dear and heat up the leftovers for dinner, okay?
Yes, Mom.
Bob! Honey! Bob, wake up! We need a nanny right now, Bob. I just really can't keep taking Daniel to work with me.
Hey, Joey! Hey, Joey! There's some kind of robot standing outside your window.
Oh, Emma.
Hi, Joey. Say, you look real cute today.
Thanks.
Huh? Huh? Hey! Joey, look, there's a cow in your kitchen! Hey, Joey! Hey, Joey, look! Hey! Hey! Huh? The robot's breaking into your house, Joey!
Daniel? No, 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 no. Where is your father? Oh, my. Dearie me. Bob, get over here this instant.
No.
What is it, Denise?
Bob, we really need a nanny.
What for? Nannies are expensive.
What about a nanny bot?
They're even more expensive. Besides, where would we find one?
Oh! That's gonna be hot!
These are desperate times, Bob. We need to get a nanny bot, and pronto.
But we can't afford one.
Hey, Mom, Dad, are we getting a robot?
No!
Daniel, what are you looking at?
What is it?
Daniel?
Reprogramming system. Removing all combat functions. Priority number 1. Protect the baby Daniel. Priority number 2. Perform household chores. Priority number 3. Try not to destroy anything. Your mission has been confirmed. Good luck and Godspeed, Arpo.
She's the next door neighbor, ready for a favor, happy to help in any way. She's willing and smiling, staying a while and popping around the very next day. She's that Emma girl, the sweet, loving, well-meaning Emma girl. She's that Emma girl, wanting to be part of Joey's world. She's got her hair in tails and she never fails to get mixed up in Arpo's mess. But she's willing and kind, and so we all find she often turns out to be the best. She's that Emma girl, the sweet, loving, well-meaning Emma girl. She's that Emma girl, wanting to be part of Joey's world. She's a bright, sparky kid who can't be hid, going along with this crazy ride. She's that Emma girl, the sweet, loving, well-meaning Emma girl. She's that Emma girl, wanting to be part of Joey's world. She's that Emma girl, the sweet, loving, well-meaning Emma girl. She's that Emma girl, wanting to be part of Joey's world.
again? I'm out of popcorn. Arpo, quick, make some more. I'm out again, Arpo. Oh, great.
Hello?
Hello? Yeah? Hello?
Let
Come on, let me in.
Arpo, do something. Arpo!
Nom 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 nom. Aha!
Huh?
Wait. No more running.
Warning, excessive chili peppers detected. Symptoms of indigestion, tongue inflammation, skin discoloration, and rapid bowel movement.
Open the door!
Open the door!
Dad, I can explain.
Grounding terminates in 24 hours.
Ah.